Hello kids, it's Science with Ms Aubrey again today. Today's lesson is on chemistry with water. Okay, for our science lesson today, we're going to learn about a few special words. Our first special word is cohesion. Cohesion means that like particles will stick together. So when you have this cup of water, you can see that there's lots of water molecules all in it, and they all stick together, kind of like bubble gum on your shoe. We're going to use these handy dandy pennies to learn about cohesion and another special word, which is surface tension. Surface tension. Okay, to more understand the word cohesion, we have to look inside a water molecule. It is very tiny, but if you are smart and you know chemistry, you can understand what a water molecule looks like. Water is also known as H2O, which means that there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Let's look at how the 2 water molecules can stick together to make the cohesion happen. So again, we have to get pretty scientific. Okay, let me draw for you what a water molecule looks like. First, we have a hydrogen atom, but we need 2, a second hydrogen atom, and 1 oxygen atom. There is our water molecule. Let's see how they stick together. We have a special bond. Boop, 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 boop. This is a hydrogen bond. It's kind of what makes everything stick together. Next, we need another water molecule, so this one can have a friend to stick to. Let's make 1 hydrogen atom, but we need another hydrogen atom. And 1 oxygen. Great! Now you can see how the 2 molecules are sticking together. Okay, this is all kind of fun to look at, but let's experiment to see more how water can stick together. Are you ready? Okay, for our science experiment today, based on the cohesive properties of water, we're going to experiment to see how many drops of water can fit onto this little penny. For your experiment, you will need some pennies if you want to work with a friend. Keegan, would you want to work with me? Cool. Okay. You will need a cup of water. If your parents allow, I used red food coloring to make it a little more interesting. And a cup of water and some soap. Okay, we're going to pour a little bit of soap into this cup of water and then stir it up. Also, if you want to continue the experiment and have fun at home, you will need a quarter and a nickel. For our first round, I made a data table. All good scientists need a data table. We are going to do 3 trials and then take the average, which means you add up all 3 trials, then divide by 2. First is the water experiment. So you grab your penny, and a medicine dropper works, which I have, or a little medicine syringe. You're going to see how many drops of water you can fit onto that penny. And you will do that 3 times. Next, once the penny experiment is done, try to see how many drops of water you can put on the penny of the soap water. Again, do that 3 times and take the average. For those who want to go advanced and experiment more at home, you can try the quarter and the nickel. Okay, Keegan, you ready to experiment? Good. Here we go. Give it a try. All right, let's explain how this is working. So you have water in your medicine dropper. And as you're taking little drops of water onto the penny, remember our special word cohesion, the two water molecules are sticking together due to our hydrogen bonding. As you are adding drops of water, they are all getting stuck together and sticking together due to the cohesive properties. I didn't do very good, but my hands are shaky. I probably got an average of 25 drops of water on my penny. Hopefully you can do better than me. Okay, as we are adding more and more water droplets to our penny, you can see this bubble effect on your penny. So cool. This is called surface tension, which is just kind of another special term for how water molecules stick together and cause a tense surface. Hey kids, I hope you had a great time learning about surface tension and the cohesive properties of water. And remember, if you want to continue the experiment, try with a quarter and a nickel. Or if you have a 2-year-old, you can just let them drop coins in the water too, so they can figure out, hey, will this sink or float? Another fun game, right, Keegan? Good. My little scientist in the making. Clean up and dance time.